So what drives all these different use cases?
Well, that's the thing stack. That's our product, our LoRaWAN network server, and all the integrations and peering technologies behind it. So the architecture of the main components is what you see here. So you see gateways on the left. They are connected to a gateway server. We have a LoRaWAN network server, an application server, all kinds of integrations. We also have the join server, an identity server with a registry of users and applications and everything. So this is a complete stack to build a LoRaWAN network. And if you look at the features, I won't mention all of them, but it's feature complete. You can connect any LoRaWAN device in any device class in any region. We have a really intuitive web interface where you can manage the network, where you can add devices, where you can configure integrations, where you can also see if everything is going well. We have APIs, so as a developer, as a systems integrator, you can integrate the thing stack in your solution so that you can also combine it with other IoT technologies. Or you can connect it directly in an IoT platform, such as AWS IoT or Azure IoT. We also have a packet broker interface that is really part of every the thing stack deployment, and I'll show you in a bit what that is. The console, that's what we spend a lot of time on. That's the web interface to manage the LoRaWAN network. It looks a lot, if you're used to V2 of our stack, it's really a new generation, really built from scratch, where you can log in, manage your applications and gateways, see the live traffic flowing. So if your gateway receives a message, you immediately see that. In the console, you can get all the metadata and see how your network performs, configure integrations. You can do everything in the console. So connecting all these things and connecting all these networks is all enabled by the packet broker. And you should really see the thing stack as a core component, as a product. And you can install or use the thing stack in different instances or different deployment models, as we call them. So on the top left, you see the open source deployment. You can go to our GitHub, follow our getting started instructions, and install the thing stack on your server. It's fully functional. There are no limitations. And you can connect gateways and build LoRaWAN applications. And you can connect even your open source installation to the packet broker. Then you see the Things network. That's our community network. So that's hosted, and there's all the gateways and all the collaboration is going on there is in a global way. In the bottom, you see the Things Stack Enterprise. That's our enterprise distribution with all enterprise features, multi-tenancy, clustering, single sign-on with enterprise systems, all sorts of advanced analytics, things like that. Really everything you need to build a large-scale LoRaWAN network. And you can deploy that on your own infrastructure, but we also have templates available to deploy that on a public cloud. And finally, that's our flagship service, the ThingStack Cloud. It's our hosted offering where we provide a service level agreement, and it's fully managed, and you have your own environment, and these are all connected to Packet Broker. And what that means is that you can exchange traffic with other networks. So first you choose your deployment model, you choose whether you want to use the community network, you choose if you want to use your own open source installation or our cloud managed solution or enterprise solution. But whatever you choose, you can collaborate and exchange traffic with other networks via the Packet Broker.